Hello, I am Shannon with Enright Real Estate, and this is the Durham Real Estate Report for October of 2024. From June through August of 2024, we saw fewer and fewer listings coming onto the market each month. In September, though, we saw 359 new listings compared to August. That was an increase of almost 18%. The other side of that, though, is that September saw 672 sales, which is the second lowest number of sales in all of 2024. That then means that our MOI, or months of inventory, is now up to 3.5. As a reminder, months of inventory means that if no new listings hit the market, it would take us 3.5 months at current pace to sell everything that's on the market. Interestingly, though, days on market fell from 23 to 22 days. So in summary, houses are still taking about 3 months to sell. Not as many of them are selling because perhaps buyers have thought, hey, now's not the right time. You're supposed to buy in the spring. I was reminding someone the other day, we really didn't get a good snowfall until almost late December into January. If weather was one of the things slowing you down, keep that in the back of your head, and maybe you're able to snag one of these properties if a seller is starting to feel the crunch and the anxiety that they may or may not sell as quickly as they'd like. As always, if you have questions, please reach out. Talk to you soon.